Hi, I've heard from some of you ladies that you're not sure how to turn on your corporate newsletter for yourself, and I'm going to create a quick video showing you how to do that. So you're going to go to closetomyheart.ca and you're going to sign in the top corner on the right. Sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll see the little head here, and you're going to click on Online Office, and you'll be directed to the Online Office page, which is strictly for consultants. Once you're here, you want to come down to the Personal Business Assistant. This is where you're going to find a lot of different things that allow you to control your business. You can set up your OBA address here and some other things, your commission, your credit cards, all that kind of stuff. For the newsletter, though, you're going to go to the Email Preferences tab. And then you've got a few options. So consultant communications, you would like to receive the CTMH consultant communications. Make sure you've checked that off. And then as well down here, you'd like your customers to receive the newsletter from CTMH. Yes, you should check that off if they've subscribed. It does it for you. It's ridiculously easy, and you all want that to happen. And as well, would you like a copy of that same newsletter sent to you? And that should be clicked off yes as well. Once you've done that, if you've had to change anything, just make sure you save it before you exit. The other thing you want to check is back on the Personal tab. And you want to make sure you have the right email listed for your email address, because if you don't, it's not going to go to the correct email. So mine's correct. I didn't have to change anything, but now I've ensured that everything's set up for me to get my Close to My Heart consultant newsletter, but also the customer newsletter. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, please don't be afraid to contact me.